Make a great choice today with the 2017 Express. The Express offers massive spaciousness, style, safety, and a surprising amount of optional features. With enhanced towing and hauling capabilities, the Express is built to get the job done and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, trip computer, remote keyless entry. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.